What's up everybody, it's Guidezoid. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your JBL Flip 4 speaker. So a couple of reasons you might want to do this is because you might have a device that's paired to your speaker that you don't want it to be paired with anymore, or you might be having a connection issue with your speaker and it might be making the noise showing that it got connected with your speaker but it's still not playing on your speaker. But anyway, this factory reset will most likely fix any issue you're having with your speaker, and it's very easy to do. So with your speaker already on, we're just going to simply press down the play button and the plus button, hold it down for a couple of seconds until that light goes off, and then it shuts off. And then once that happens, it's basically reset. All you have to do is turn it back on. And when you're going to turn it back on, it's going to do just like you did when you first got your speaker. It's going to make that noise showing it's searching, as you could hear. And then you simply pair it up with the device you want to pair it with again. And then that's it. Let me know in the comments below if this actually helped you with any of the issues you were having with your speaker. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. Peace out.